Agricultural applications of aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acid, and esters. The agricultural sector relies on a wide range of chemical compounds to enhance crop productivity, protect plants from pests and diseases, and optimize crop and harvest quality. Aldehydes are organic compounds that contain a carbonyl group attached to at least one hydrogen atom. Aldehydes used in agriculture for its antimicrobial properties. It is commonly incorporated into pesticide formulations where it effectively disrupts microbial and fungal growth, reducing crop losses due to diseases. Ketones are frequently used as solvents, plant growth regulators, and ripening agents. It also play a role in regulating growth and development. For example, methyl ketones can act as plant growth stimulants, influencing flowering, root growth, and overall plant structure. It helps the farmers to manage the crop cycles more effectively, optimizing yield and harvest quality. Carboxylic acids contain a carboxylic group and play a significant role in agriculture, primarily in herbicide formulations, soil conditions, and as natural preservatives. One of the most important agricultural applications of carboxylic acid is in selective herbicides. It is also used to adjust soil pH. One of significant applications of esters is in pesticide formulations, especially in synthetic pyrethroids. Pyrethroids are insecticides that mimic natural pyrethrin compounds derived from chrysanthemum flowers.